Here's the truth. Most AI side hustles still require time, effort, and some skills. But these three, once you set them up, they literally run themselves. And yes, you can build them today, even if you're a complete beginner. Today, I'm going to show you 3 AI businesses that are actually hands-off, fully scalable, and already working for thousands of people in the US and Europe. You don't need coding, you don't need experience, and you don't need money to start. Let's dive into the first one, the automated AI content engine. Imagine a business that creates content, edits it, and posts it for you automatically. You set up a digital content system one time, and that's it. Then AI writes the posts, AI edits the videos, AI schedules everything, and the content goes out to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Facebook Reels, and even LinkedIn, all on autopilot. So why does this work? It's simple. Attention is the new currency. Companies, especially small businesses, are desperate for online attention, and they pay people good money to manage their content. But here's the twist. Instead of doing all the heavy lifting yourself, you let AI do it for you. You become the manager of the system, not the creator of every single post. To get this running, you'll need a few key tools. For writing scripts, you can use ChatGPT or Claude. For generating videos, CapCut's AI video feature is incredible. Okay, if you want a more realistic voiceover, 11 Labs is a great optional tool. To organize everything, Notion AI is perfect for building a content calendar. And to post automatically, schedulers like Buffer or Metricool are essential. Finally, for quick and easy thumbnails, Canva's Magic Studio has you covered. Here's how the entire business runs itself. First, the AI creates 30 pieces of content, enough for a whole month. Then, another AI turns those scripts into engaging videos. Next, the AI generates a unique title and description for every single video. After that, it uploads them all to your scheduling tool. The scheduler then posts them across all your chosen platforms day after day. Your only job is to check the results once a week. That's why it's truly hands-off. Now, let's talk money. How much can you actually make with this? You can charge clients a monthly retainer. Think about it. $300 a month for basic content, $500 a month for more, or even $750 a month for a premium package. For full automation across multiple platforms, you could easily charge $1,200 a month. You just keep the system running, and the AI does all the work. Let me give you a real example. A freelancer in the US is currently making $8,500 a month just by running these content systems for 10 small businesses. The AI handles over 90% of the work, and he reaps the rewards. This isn't a fantasy. It's a functioning business model that's thriving right now. All right, moving on to business model number 2. AI micro-digital products. This is the classic build it once, sell it forever model, but supercharged with AI. You create small digital items that people can buy and download instantly. I'm talking about things like kids' storybooks, coloring pages, digital planners, and templates for social media. Or maybe journals, printable stickers, unique AI characters for games, or even beautiful printable wall art. You can also bundle these items and sell them on platforms like Etsy. The best part? Each one of these products can take just minutes to make using AI. The toolkit for this business is also simple and accessible. You'll use ChatGPT or Claude for generating ideas and text like stories or journal prompts. For creating stunning images, you can use AI art generators like Midjourney, Ideogram, or DALL-E. Then, you'll use a tool like Canva to put it all together into a final, polished design. To sell your products, platforms like Amazon's KDP for books, Etsy for crafts and templates, and Gumroad for digital goods are perfect. And to promote them, you can quickly create promo videos using InVideo or CapCut's AI features. But why do people actually buy these things? The demand is constant and incredibly diverse. Parents are always looking for new storybooks for their kids. Teachers need worksheets and educational materials. Couples buy relationship journals to connect. Designers and creators buy templates to save time. And busy professionals buy digital planners to get organized. The market is huge and the demand never stops. Let's break down the income potential. A single, well-made digital product can make anywhere from $5 a day to $10 to $40 or even $100 a day. Now, imagine you have 20 different products for sale. You multiply that daily income, and you've built a true passive income engine that works for you 24/7. Here's another real-world example to inspire you. There's a creator on Etsy who is earning over $21,000 a month selling coloring books, kid stories, and worksheets. Every single one of these products was created with the help of AI. This shows the massive scale you can achieve with this business model. Now for our third and final idea, AI automation services. This is where you get paid to be the expert. You set up an automation system for a client one time. They pay you a monthly fee to maintain it, and the system runs on its own. So what are you actually automating? You help small businesses automate repetitive tasks like email follow-ups, customer messaging, and appointment scheduling. You can set up systems for automatic invoice generation, social media replies, new emblading their CRM. You can also build customer support bots that answer common questions instantly. Once you build the system, it works in the background, saving the business owner hours every single day. For this, you'll need tools like Zapier or Make, which are the powerhouses of automation. They connect different apps together. You can also use the ChatGPT or Claude API to create smart, context-aware replies. Notion is great for building client dashboards, and Google Sheets is perfect for managing data. For chat automation, tools like Crisp or TAWK.2 are excellent. This business is absolutely exploding right now. Why? Because small business owners in the US and everywhere else are completely overwhelmed with repetitive, boring tasks. They hear about AI, but they don't understand it, and frankly, they don't have the time or desire to learn it. They are more than willing to pay someone like you to come in and automate everything for them. So, how much can you charge for this? For simple setups, you could charge between $150 and $300 for medium-sized automation projects.
Okay.
You're looking at $500 to $900. And for a full business automation overhaul, you can charge anywhere from $1,500 to $3,500, or even more. On top of that, you can charge a monthly retainer of $50 to $300 just to keep the systems running smoothly. This is genuinely one of the highest profit no-skill businesses you can start heading into 2025. Now, here's the secret that ties all of this together. Full automation. You can connect everything. When a new customer books an appointment, an AI can automatically email them a confirmation. When someone pays an invoice, the digital files are delivered to them automatically. When a potential customer messages the business page, an AI can reply instantly. When a new lead comes in, an AI follows up with them. When a task is updated in one app, an AI organizes it in another. This is what a real hands-off business looks like. Before you jump in, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. First, don't use too many tools at the beginning. Start simple with just a few and master them. Second, don't try to automate everything on day one. Start with one small, impactful task and build from there. And finally, especially with the content business, Don't expect amazing results without consistent publishing. Consistency is key. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial for any of these AI businesses, tell me which one, number 1, 2, or 3 you're most interested in down in the comments. If you're serious about making real online income using AI, this channel will guide you every step of the way. This is Wealth Hustle. Your future starts now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.